not good. Hi everybody and welcome to Photomikes Garage. As you can see, I've got my 1973 Z28 warming up. But I think I have a bit of a problem. I don't know if you can see this. This is a fuel pressure gauge. I don't know if you can see it, but this is fluctuating from a high of about 11 pounds and a low of about 3 pounds. And the needle stays centered mostly around, I would say, 8 pounds pressure. That's a little bit too high for this car. It should be about 6 pounds. So I think I need to do something about this problem. Okay, so if this is accurate, this is showing me that I have a little bit too much pressure and that there's quite a fluctuation. So the solution is, and so the answer is a fuel pressure regulator. There you go. This is a very cheap, simple fuel pressure regulator. It is set to 6.5 psi, which is what I require. And for my application, I think this is going to work out just fine. So it comes with the fuel pressure regulator. It comes with some screws, and all the ports are 3/8 pipe thread, and it doesn't come with any fittings. So for me, I have an inlet, so I'm going to use this to convert the 3/8 pipe thread to a barbed fitting. I'm just going to put on my fuel hose here. Fuel's going to come in here and then come out one side. Now it's got two outs so that you could feed two sides of a carburetor. For me, I'm just going to use one. So I've got this going out here. That's another barbed fitting. And I'm going to block this one with just a plug.
2,000 years later.
I just mounted it onto my wheel well there with 4 self-tapping screws. Seems to be pretty secure. Pretty secure. So what I did is, after the fuel filter, and there's a fuel pump, I ran a fuel hose to the regulator right here, and then out to its regular connection on the carb. Now, let's start the car up and see if that fuel pressure regulator made any difference to the erratic behavior of my fuel pressure, going up and down and all around. Okay, well, she's still warming up, but let's take a look. All right, no leaks from the fuel pressure regulator. Everything is good. Now look at that. That's dead steady. Dead steady. As you can see, the needle is steady, just over 7 psi. No more wild fluctuations. I'm pretty happy. Okay, so as you can see, that solved my fluctuation problem. I'm pretty happy with this, and I got this for about $31. That's it. Now if I want to adjust the fuel pressure regulator higher or lower, I just undo that jam nut and turn with an Allen wrench either to the right or to the left to raise or lower the fuel pressure. Alright, that was just a short video to show you that you can get a economical fuel pressure regulator for your old classic car. Alright, so thanks for watching Photomikes Garage. I will see you next time.